Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Are you having a hard time contacting Lyft because there's no phone number on the app after 5 p.m.? Or Uber because there's, again, no phone number on the app? Stick around. I'm going to give you the numbers. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Probably going to be the quickest video I've ever done. If you're having a hard time getting in contact with Uber or Lyft after hours regarding anything, rather than going to the email, I'm going to give you the number to Uber Safety and the number to Lyft Safety. Now, obviously, if it's not a safety issue, they'll forward it to the proper department. But I'm going to give you the numbers, so if you do have an issue anytime after their normal business hours, you can give them a call. So, first number is for Uber, and that number is 800-285-6172. Again, this is for Uber, and it's their safety line or their critical response line. It's 800-285-6172, and it is 24 hours a day. So let me get you to the number for Lyft. And the Lyft customer service number, which is 24 hours, is 844-554-1297. Again, Lyft's safety response line, 24-hour number, is 844-544-1297. So if you ever have an issue, those are the numbers you can call for either Uber or Lyft. Again, those are both 24-hour numbers, at least here in California, and they work. They may not take you to the appropriate team because obviously we're still dealing with the pandemic, but they will get you to a live representative who hopefully will be able to help you out with whatever the situation that you're currently dealing with is and get you to the proper people. So that's it. With that being said, be safe, be professional, keep it real, and as always, drive on. Until next time, I wish you all the best of health.